The scaly-breasted munia is an attractive sparrow-sized tiny bird native to tropical Asia. Its name is based on the distinct scale-like feather markings on the breast and belly. The adult is brown above and has a dark conical bill. This munia eats mainly grass seeds apart from berries and small insects. They forage in flocks and communicate with soft calls and whistles. The species is highly social and may sometimes roost with other species of munias. This species is found in tropical plains and grasslands. Breeding pairs construct dome-shaped nests using grass or bamboo leaves. The species is endemic to Asia and occurs from India and Sri Lanka east to Indonesia and the Philippines. The scaly-breasted munia is about 11 to 12 centimeters long and weighs 12 to 16 grams. The adult has a stubby dark bill typical of grain-eating birds, brown upperparts, and a dark brown head. The underparts are white with dark scale markings. The sexes are similar, although males have darker markings on the underside and a darker throat than females. Scaly-breasted munias are found in a range of habitats but are usually close to water and grassland. In India, they are especially common in paddy fields where they are considered a minor pest on account of their feeding on grain. It is estimated that this species lives for around 8 years in captivity, and the lifespan of this species is a little shorter in the wild at around 6 years because they are easy prey to larger predators. A male bird singing a bird song, which is sort of a jingle consisting of variable notes and whistles, and he does that while sitting with a sloping posture with its head erect. Both males and females of this southern Asian bird species build their nests on trees in a dome-shaped manner and after mating and lay around 4 to 6 eggs which hatch after a span of 16 days. These birds breed and survive in good numbers and are highly adaptable, and hence their population is seen to be stable across various habitats.